So hi guys, I'm here now in my new apartment. I'm a bit nervous. Hi guys. I'm the patient today.
Zoro, hi guys, finally we're here. So we're finally here. Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. Hi guys, good morning. Good morning. It's another day and another vlog. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
So hi guys, it's another day again. And alam nyo ba, nakuha ko na yung susi ng bago kong apartment. And ayan, this is the key. 5 1, 2, 3, 4 5 keys ang nakuha ko. So at least dito na video natin na 5 yung nakuha ko. Medyo nawala pa ako guys, but luckily nakita ko naman yung place. And ngayon pupuntahan ko na yung apartment and titingnan doon sa loob. And ngayon din yung start ng ilaw, so at least papunta ko doon mailaw na. So anyway, see you later pag nasa apartment na. Itutour ko kayo doon. Bye bye. So hi guys, I'm here now in my new apartment. I'm a little bit tired kasi hindi pa pala ayos yung elevator. Nasa 7th floor ako. As in, I'm super pagod. But anyway, I'm having fun. Pagod ako, but anyway, I'm so happy. I'm in my new apartment. Welcome to my new house. Yeah. So, itutour ko kayo. Let's tour. Ito siya. This is yung door. Main entrance. So, ito yung door. May palabas-pasok. And then dito, lagay ng mga shoes dyan. And then, ito yung mga jacket. I-hide. And then, pagpasok mo sa right is the CR. Toilet and comfort room. So, this is the toilet. So, washing machine can be put in here. And what I like here, I have my own sauna. Here, sauna. Here. So this is my sauna. I don't know, but when I talk the previous who stays here, hindi daw nalagamit yung sauna kasi nagtitipid ko sa kuryente. So this is the sauna. Shower. So bibili pa ko ng shower curtains. And then so ito, ayan, picture ka na, pero okay naman, hindi naman sira. Ayan, pero dito naman siya, in fairness. Ayan, charans. So ito yung cabinet. So yeah, pero something is missing. Walang shelves to isa. This one walang shelves. So I don't know. Ewan ko ito. So ayan. So ito lang, shower. Dito ko lalagay ng washing machine. And then the sauna is there. So ayan, pagpasok talaga guys. And then ito siya. And then may cabinet, extra cabinet dito. Dito yung mga panglinis, walis, yeah. And then what I like about this place is ang daming storage. Pwede din dito storage din ito. Then sa taas storage din. Ay, ano ba yun? Ano ba sila ng gamit? I'm not sure. naman yung itong lagayan ng itong refrigerator. So ayan, nasa taas. So may malaki din ditong cabinet sa kusina. And this is the kitchen and then the living room. So TV dyan. Okay. Buti na pala may blinds. Ayan, malaki yung blinds. Ayan. So yung table ko, palit na naman yung table ko, so it will be there. Doon siya siguro. But the place is very, very, very nice. Titingnan natin dito, babe, kung malinis na sa likod. Okay. Malinis naman. Malinis naman pala. So, malinis siya, in fairness. Yan. And then, I have my dishwasher. Yan. I have my dishwasher. Here. So, pero hindi pa makakalipat, guys, kasi hindi pa ayos yung elevator. So, yung kanang basura, nilinis din nila ng maayos. Yan, storage din dito. And then dito din. Yan. Ang ganda na storage, in fairness. So, ito then drying rack po yan. Ito dito yung microwave. And then, dami. In fairness. I like it kasi ang daming storage talaga. And then, so, kitchen. This is sa sala. And now, dito tayo sa aking bedroom. This is my bedroom. So, kung naman isa, so tama-tama lang yung place. So, bedroom ito. And then, may dressing room. At least hindi masyadong kwan siya. So, okay lang. Yeah. It's my dressing room. So, and then, I have a balcony. Pero yung balcony, guys, is pwede siya nga convert into room kasi merong heater. So, ayan. It's attached dito na ibon. Attached yan ang orange. Ayan. Pero ito yung sa labas. Yun na yung center. Yung bahay ko dyan. May pizzahan dyan. Pizza galore. So, yeah, nasa center talaga, Akech. So, plan ko dito, maglalagay ako ng kurtina dyan. Para, of course naman, hindi masyadong very light. Pero pwede may, ano man eh, ito eh. Yan, okay naman siya. So, I super like the place. Pero magmamap lang ako, maglilinis ng konti. Kasi sobrang malinis naman eh. Nilinis din nila ng maayos. Tsaka walang amoy. In fairness, walang amoy. I like the place. Yan. That's all for the tour of my new apartment. So, ito guys. First time ko talaga to have a place on my own. Na ako lang mag-isa. And for 15 years ako dito sa Basa, and for 15 years ngayon ko pa lang siya magagawa na mag-isa. So, mahirap, nakaka-excite na mahirap na, ewan ko ba, pero buti lang na sa city. So, pag medyo malungkot, I can go out and ang maganda, I can invite friends, they can come, kasi malaki naman ang space. Super laki ng space. For me, sa kamisa, kasi it's 45 square meters ito. No, so, ilaw, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, Yan, maganda siya. In fairness. Oh. So, yan. And so, guys, so, sa next vlog ko, ikukuhan ko yung paglilipat at saka pag-aayos ng mga things. I think okay naman yung mga things ko. Ang dami kong things, mga abubots. So, paglagay na naman dito.
Hi guys. Today's video, I'm going to help Joy to transport her things, like her sofa. So we're going to the Barasta. Come on now.
So, hi guys! Good morning! Good day everyone! So, today's video, ang tagal ko hindi kapag-vlog kasi sobrang busy ng aming life, school and work. So, now, umpisahan natin ulit. So, right now, as you know, diba, lumipat na ako ng bahay. I have my own place and so far, hindi pa natatapos after a month kasi ngayon pa lang mahakot yung mga gamit namin sa Barastos. So, maghakot muna tayo, guys. So, I'm with Sonny today. Yeah, I'm with Sonny. Sonny's going to come and help. Before, marami din sana mag-help sa akin. Kaso nga lang, hindi available yung Barastos pa. So, ngayon, available na siya. So, umpisahan na naman natin ang paghahakot. Okay. Straight lang. So yan guys, hiniram lang namin na yan. Thank you sa napahiram. Light. Oops, yung open po eh. Ito. Yan. Ako naglagay yun para walang mag-glow. Ano unahin natin? Ito, washing machine? Kasi may kuhan eh. Oops, okay. Sige. Kasakan na naman. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Bata din.
Mo gani mo ina lang gani ning naan eh. Naku pagbugat hati ako na pud. So yan. Kaya mo hinag ko kabalhin ko wala na yung busy.
Ay, dapat one to take.
Okay.
May plaster rin natin.
Now, for dinner.
So, hi guys! Now we're cooking. Done with our hakot-hakot. Yeah, and Simon is our camera girl.
Yes. Wow. What are you cooking?
We're cooking bihon.
Then this is the noodles.
And bihon. We're going to cook bihon and udong with tinapa.
Yay. Washing the tomatoes.
Dili na sa kanila sa igutan tapos.
No toyo, no salt, no pepper.
Later na yung timplahan.
Dili last ay. Ambot po. Meow. Almost done.
Almost done. Tayo pa na, uy.
Ay, not yet. Wrong. Cutting the tomatoes. Oh! Meron tayong... Asa? Oo, kaya na-asya kuan. Ay, sana all. Same thought. Sana all. This, meron tayong mix para diretso na siya. Diretso na. Nakakit katawa. Biset! Hi! I-try mo na yan. Pagkuha ka na ng isa, and then let's make a review. Make a review. Ano yung tsura niya pala? Wow, slimming coffee. Ano yung kanyang?
Anti-aging, anti-cancer.
Ano ang kanyang ingredients?
Lose weight. Anti-stress!
Nice na para na to.
Good ni siya para sa tuwa.
Yes, we need this. Multi-purpose. Kaya mapayat na ta, ma-anti-stress pa ta.
So, pangatag isa te.
Kaya buy na. Product promotion.
Anti-aging na.
Wow. Okay, I will turn this off.
So, hi guys! Welcome back! So, now we're done. Continue na ni. Wala na nag-intro na ko gani. Continuation na ni. So, muna ni among food. Simon here.
Tapos na, ubos na.
And then, visitor! This is Lorraine. Grace and Grace. Hi. Grace, hi Grace. Welcome to my vlog. Charos. So,
Welcome to my queen.
So guys, yung ginawa namin kanina is to ilagay yung mga gamit. So far dito na. Yan. So I'm going to make a complete apartment tour pag matapos ko na lahat. So far sa ngayon ito na muna yung pinapakita ko yung room. But at